fine ke ngahamba nalomfana lo bekadonse obiqala vele ushoti
owami ngithe ngihambile mina ngizinjini
ngaqama manga
yathi badonse mina
uyangithola uyangizwa ngathi ngahamba nalomfana ngoba nalomfana lo ukuthi uqale wabamba obi so ngaba nejealous ngathi naminyala Batala mfana chibi like what's a scam athi like ufike kuwe bakuthi ka makafika kuwe adonsa nerola so at the club zone so enengisabheja ngayo namanje njengoba ngithi ngiyibhodlela la estropez njengayo yeah i31 zami like ngizenjoy njengebhodlela le estropez ngimnandi njengayo so yeah that's all I enjoyed nje 2024 yabona nje uDecember ivolume ihigh usibasho uhigh talent today nje uyazifila shiminoba nje
like asikafiki kuleyo event sonke sikhuluma amacede umuntu akhuluma ukuthi benjani manje uyabashishila labantu ukuthi abasa understand manje ukuthi sikhuluma ngani mawuthi
baya shimiphela like ngisho like ngikhuluma nge29
work like a slave and live like a queen so I want to just do Murivi focus on Murivi and Murivi is going to do something for me because ngikhule ku Murivi and I know what's the vision is just there but if I don't get a job it's Murivi all the way.
Guys, my
Kasi Gay Stories up next.
Hey guys, what's popping? AW on the blog. I go by the name OB O'Brien. We most talked about gay at Kasi.
Hi guys, what's popping? It's your girl Special Mamizi wako Kasi. Ipodlela lakho le extra present nginandi njengalo thank you.
Hey kiddies, it's Adrian. Hey guys, it's Nelly.
So guys, today sikhuluma ngezinto ezinice, izinto ezaka20 new things must 2025 kind of vibes. So really guys, today we're going to talk about like December guys because kitchen we should speaking about how December it's bunjani, how it's been trending, isn't it easy fresh, easy right? So
it's giving
like okay job. So first topic we're going to speak about December. It's like December, how was December for all of us? But I'm going to give one opportunity to speak to December Kebunja.
Sathia.
Yo like December was sharp nje like maranje beginga na plan until ngihlangana nalaba then bangika up bangikhumba indawo bang introduce kuSiboshi nabanye so nje yeah ngifunda okuningi nje kulo December lo ukuthi ube uwe like bengisaba nje ukuthi like la Freedom Park bazothini but so far nje ngifundile ukuthi fanele kube uwe nje la.
Okay manje
okay December wami nje like good December in ngiphumile ngayijiva like wonke ama weekend wa December nje ngiphumile nje
ngiyadlazi
right
ugadlazo lo
okay
yabona ucabanga lapha ukuthi ugadlazile lo
okay yabo right December
mina guys I have fun December wami enjoyile ngihambile ngayo emakhaya vele fine mangifika lapha yana ngabona abo boys trovile babona isitabani seroko vele fine but you are lisa sitabani basibiza ngama movie vele yo la movie ya like it to me I was like mangifika lapha yana the first thing ngathi like bengithanga crop top vele amanye ayithunga ngapha nje lamagela ngihamba nawo so bavele bathi ngibafaka styleini so vele bengishayina bengidila bama follow like into enjalo yabo guys fine ngabuya ngi29 belithi ngizobuya ngi26 okay currently ngi26 kwafika ama bad news ukuthi antamushonile but mina okay sharp I wanted to stay ne but ngavele ngacabanga ukuthi ngingidlela idelwane zami la never askisi antamuzo ngixolela ngokungabi yabo okay sharp nge28 vele ngigibele and like bengifuka ukugibela nge26 ngoba nge28 kamna sikuke up ngani sekulimeke kulem crazy so okay girl angikwazanga angikhonanga fine ngagibela ke nge-28 lezo ngafika nge-29 lana ngoba nama-plans wange-31 futhi siyakuphisa ku-2-man show fine ke sagadlaza vele sababahle sakuthi men show at Club Zone 2 and ngisabheja ngayo namanje njengoba ngithi ngiyibhodlela la Astropez njengayo yeah i-31 zami like ngizenjoy njengebhodlela le Astropez and ngimnandi njengayo so yeah that's all I enjoyed nje 2024 yabona nje uDecember gile ngiphele ya vibe Obi
guys, it's like okay. You know, December my last day. It was improvement. It was growth for me. It was like I just enjoyed standing up for myself, buying my own things. And the last time on the last podcast, I was bringing about Fanta Shabu. It was just something I was so excited because I bought it by my own, and the most it was just grooving the Saturdays and working. Like I just liked just the income and stuff, and it was just so fun. Not that fun, but it was fun. 31st, as Bosch said, it was just so amazing. 28 amazing. All the weekends it was just so. But for me, 2024, it was not December. It was just okay. Yeah, it's not that fun for me, but it was. Yeah.
Before sidlula lapho, thank you James for ukuthi usenzele iplani. Thank you siyakubonga because vele laphayana besoista nje ichelete bukinto esingayiphathanga like yabo so
usekela phansi
ngifuna ukushayinisa imali into besinganayo vele like I know
ngifuna ukubhola la wena makhuluma kanje bunganamali
mina benginemali bengiphethe 300 yami base ngibona okwenu ke extra mina bengiphethe 300 yami guys, you need to speak truth masenzo ishanisa phambi kwabantu maseni phambi kwabo labo bantu anything ngizoke sijumpile
ngiyabadalile shumisaba
babadalile ijumpe sonke
la bengisaba semjumpa
shabensaba mara by the way igcine nazi ukuthi
nami ngijumpile
thank you shala cho bona bajumpa
bazoyikhulumela cho
mara to ngisho James like by the way siyabonga vele like guys ningazenza ungathi like no into ezosikazi vele into esidume ngazo guys kusineka baseptic Club Zone 2 sijumpe nje like us vele like guys yaskala like jump like us lethu guys but ezomthwa vele like besiplane sikhiphe sonke ama 500 labangani vele sahamba yeah sisisupport yeah it was giving vibe but nge-29 ngasikhathi ngifika vele bokune event vele brand so yeah sajumpa lapho vele ngoba like besingana choice besingana mali but abantu abasekasi vele mase sifika lapha ngaphakathi ayisathola ke ama Astropez nesimlandi njengawo guys jump.
Okay guys, yabona ukuthi ivolume ihigh usibosh uhigh talent today nje uyazifila
shiminoba nje
mina like asikafiki kuleyo event sonke sikhuluma maqeda umuntu akhuluma ukuthi benjani manje uyabashishila labantu ukuthi abasa understand manje ukuthi sikhuluma ngani mawuthi
baya phela like ngisho like ngikhuluma nge-29 angikhulumi ngiyange-31
manje like sisazofika lapho
okay
ukhulume nokuthi ujumpile wena
mara nje mongondwasi ke ngoba like bheka
okay.
Legal.
We can chat. So our second topic is about like things we wanna live from like in 2024 because angihambe namabhadi or izinto bongasithanda ezenzeka at that time ngo-2024 putting them inside ngo-20 like so ngene shiqo ngaphakathi so busy benza izinto zakudala. No, we have to have visions and izinto ezintsha, new ideas and new goals and izinto bongasafuna ukuziyenza izinto you regret and into you wanna change like ngathi yeah ungabeka ngendlela oyithandayo just izinto nje you wanna change from previous and ngathi something like that.
Yeah.
Into ngathi nje ngifuna ukuyiyeka for 2024 ngishiye kwa 2024 abafana
Ngisho nami nje.
abafana like basale nje ku 2024
Siyafana nje.
then 2025 like I want to focus on myself, growth, inner child be happy so that I can gain weight guys.
Bo kanti like last now kena ngabo
like yabona manje nje ngifuna ukuba sidudlanyana at least nje nibe nefuthe nje nyaza
ngizwa abanye ngizona ayidlalo kayi.
okay.
Okay, for mina nje like ngiyeka nje abafana nje ngashiya ku 2024 ne. Yeah, this year ngizoyenza nje. Oh, khona a personal angiyikhulumi like on the like social media. So yeah, things are this year.
Ngathi sengicabanga indlela emqondweni wami.
No, it's not like
Yeah,
no,
like
it's very close to my heart. I'm full of ikhuluma yabo.
Chom namdasha ngithi ngisheshe ngayicabanga sengiseyiline kodwa ngesikhuluma ku internet. Yabo. So mina guys, hayi ke lapha nje. Bana man. Abafana bayohlezi bakhona. Abavana kimi bayohlezi bakhona nje mina noma bangathini ngiyamthanda umfana. La yabona umfana? Hayi ngiyamthanda umfana. And vele chuma sobona ngabe ke wena uthi wena ugoma maka sinyamthanda umfana nje ngiyabona umfana uchoma ngakamboni yabona ebafanini
Yo ama hey
uskin segadla angamtholisisi but uchemi mina guys nje abafana ngiyabathanda into engishayo just between 24 and ama bad luck kabe mina shame bengu bad luck like bengisemabhadini yabona nje laba lo muntu bekangivalele like esikhundleni sokuthi wena hayi shame bekaphumelela but angaphumeleli ngokumbulala yabona lapha that's things
benkulu
yo
bovubulawa kuphi
cheap like ndaba yami ya ngizimbalekela kini yeah how cheap.
Okay, so guys, about me, into ngifuna ukuyisho ngo 2024 is as but I know yazi tekubisho into ngithi angifuni ukuyikhuluma ni but
Ngizoyivavi.
what I want for 2025 is growth, new things, new clothes, like new things, like new me, guys. Because our vision, I don't want to be that obedient one. Because every year new goals, so I want to achieve this year. Improve really, like in life. I didn't waste these 11 months not doing anything. I just want to do something. I just hope with what I'm like, you know what, work like a slave and live like a queen. So I want to just do Murivi, focus on Murivi, and Murivi is going to do something for me because Nkulego Murivi, and I know what's, you know, the vision is just there, you know. But if I don't get a job, it's Murivi all the way. Yeah.
Guys, my goal for 2025 is I want to focus on my brand. I want to make a gay flag brand. Like, yeah, my LGB guys, I'm a pretty gay wakona. For I'm a gay pale, not I'm a lesbian. Sorry. Like, means that a brand, I'm a gay pale, I'm a pretty gay wakona. Yeah, I think I will release my brand before E8 because I need to go to event. So yeah, that's all about my 2025 for now.
Okay, guys. Okay, so today, the second topic is about training, guys. We've been training like okay, so today, guys, we're going to talk about how everybody felt about training, but literally, okay, we're going to start with how, like, if we're train, not how do you feel if you're trained, like out of the blue, without you expecting to also train.
Yo, like angazi man.
Wait, Obi, utrenda kahle or trenda at the bad way?
No, there's trending. Like there's bad and good, I guess, but training is trending.
Okay. Like manga trenda in a good way. Ngaba like sharp, like ngaba happy.
Ngaba no sharp.
Yeah.
Okay.
But in a bad way. Like ngizocabanga like into eyiningi abantu ukuthi bathini do like obvious, like nokuthi abantu bazongibheka kanjani,
things kind of thing.
yeah, like mara yo trenda nje kabi kuyathusa guys like okabathu nje yo
Siswe status pink.
Same njengochomi nje like yeah.
Okay.
Mina if ngitrenda kabi, I don't care i-caption yakho ukuthi ithini, as long we more godling, more likes coming, more followers gaining. Like if vele guys nabakugudla utrenda kabi uyatrenda because abantu bazothi ngifike usibona lesastabani ukuthi okay sharp kusasa sipostani. Like I gaining followers, guys, get my point. Mang trenda kahle, I think the love of God is raising me. Reason lestabane, but mina ngaboni trenda kahle for last year when I was trending. It was crazy, like I'm a caption abantu, and like Tina, as I'm tabene, we don't care what people say about us as long as Tina. We shoot the content, we post the content. We shoot the content, we post the content. And we were like this trend on my news at TV, guys. We were trending. Kulisa somelesa last year, this trend. See my news, guys. Like so, like yabona nje the way see trending akon. Ila abantu bas news ngakho ukuthi okay shop later abantu sine something eziyenzayo and leyo nto izophumelela. That's the thing. Okay.
Mina mangitrenda like I like trending kahle guys. Gabi angithandi. Totally I don't like it. You know, angithandi ukuba like ungikhuluma kabi. Like nje and one thing about trending about ithombe masibani. Okay, the trending. Let me talk about the trend that this trend song. Kuba nama favorism. It's like choosing, you know, and ezinye izinto thina abanye asiziphathi kahle yabo, and I wouldn't judge the or talk about bad about the people who are commenting. Yeah, it's trending. That's trending, of course, because people will have something to say about lona. You understand? And it's banini and masutile on the trending that it's maybe trending. So I hate bad comments and picky. Umuntu ozothi ozo commenta maybe alibela commenta athi lo muhle mara abanye, you know, it's giving that thing correct. Yes, self-esteem. So what I like and what I feel like it's good is with Master Titon, because one thing I also don't like about Tina is guti uvela post ithombe lapha bona ukuthi wena uyabheda engathi ufuna ukutrendisa ngawe.
Yes.
You understand? So I think sonke bele sithi mashooter umuntu should be satisfied about how they look, and this picture should be saved or deleted, because ngeke upost ithombe while the others kuma comments wakho ku account yakho bayamuravaza obi anyway nje ukuthi they are trend siba on, and if oba khona akathanda ukutrenda kabi, you should delete the picture, or I don't know, because yeah, that's for me nje angithandi mawuzongitshonisa kabi, but mawungitshonisa izigoresi vele abona mama khona isibani sakhona sharp belu ngishare nje ukuthi hot sis nomulia or nje something fitness worldwide sharp him now. But on the trendings I didn't like just yo ngibonile kule sithombe engcoyeni aroke like bathi nesiphongo yo perhaps I stress like I didn't like the comments me the moment nginaka ama comments engathi agcwele ngami, and I'm like isiphongo vele nginaso ne, and the time ngisho think free hand bengisifila being right, you know, being right, because most feel alright, and then I leave but I just the comments was just so bad. Just I think it was so mean on the post, and who say names and Sissy part, because in me it was just so like too mean.
To me the later kakhulu it's bathi kuwe hi uthi hi bathi are you the one with the long dress?
A long dress uyonela utrenda kahle to me. That was like bacabanga izintombazana out of Sina South.
Jimmy no yasho kule trendile bas uzuthi I'm the one with the glass on here azatlumfana it's over. That's the one who trended. The trended.
Ile sasithombe ngikhuluma.
Yes.
But ukule bayenza ama comments bakhuluma kahle ngo long dress because bacabanga izintombazana. Chum, that's why ngithi masibaningi khona vele ama-choosing ama-picky
Favoritism.
ama-favorism like uzoba bakhala ngosiboshwe bonke kuma-comments thina bathi sibaki.
Vele chum like akusi first time.
Hey, but in thing,
Always.
on my side angithandi.
Okay, chum.
So
Nam vele kusayidla mangithandi, but I don't care what people talked about me.
so mina
Wabo.
no for mina it's not like I feel like umuntu makapost that should be so like khonit vele banokusendela so ngitho mangithi omunye uyazibona ukuthi kuyabheda la but still uposta leso stone and abanye baba bahle yabona like I feel like umuntu saceda ukushoot. I think we should just see the
Pictures before and like
yeah, so that's the thing. I don't like trending Ngadi. I like trending Ngadi. So yeah. So the second topic for today, we're going to speak about i-31st zokujumpa, because this is when unifake ukujumpa and understand.
No,
hey machombi aba-understand or kanjani bavela ukujumpa ukujumpa yini aba-understand. So this time ngithi ngifuna uba-briefe phela icale from onset, because when uvele wathi ukujumpa bajumpile
but don't jump amabonda no I am.
yeah, but that's why
Like he's jumping like in down like
yeah, that's the thing.
like ngomgadla.
That's the thing. Like I want you to understand look jumper look to be specific ukuthi kwenzakalani masithi bekacha, because I can understand like I'm sure nani nithi jumpile so sharp.
I look jumper
So
guys like
I want to speak about E31st and an experience yakhona. I think we speak one by one.
Qala Jimmy hamba so until like izogcina okay sharp okay ngi-31 vele saying I didn't have plans. Okay, after then maybe they around 10-11 saying I saw Obi posted in two-man show. So after then Gamjwita Chum on Chum before we am text Chum on ngithi Chum maku on more on now and I'm Chum on fine gay sharp zibe on vele fine city hlangana ngabo ma 7 OB that 7 ngibengakagezi I won't lie. I was still preparing ukuthi ngigqoka kanjani stuff phela guys bengilost you guys. Okay sharp ngavele ngagezi telami. I didn't know how to wear my new shoes because it wasn't matching bengamatch. So ngavele ngagezi canvas yami ngagqoka irobo lami elifana nelika Obi yeah. So okay fine ngazilungisa ngaba prepared and that day guys benginama customer vele bazofaka ama eyelash. So athi makangifonelathi akaba OB mina bengisendleleni yofaka umuntu ama eyelash. Fine ngahamba vele ngayifaka umuntu ama eyelash. Fine after then nganyuka vele ngaya kubo OB mangifaka kubo OB. We planned okay sharp we wanted to gibela a taxi but we had enough money so sapolta OB wasn't do it guys asipolteni.
I think really cool is like like you're not going to be story because we also want to speak.
Okay, sorry.
So
okay, sharp by my side sapolta vele masifika lapha phambili ukujumpa kwamayi ukuthi like sijumpe amabona abantu. Yeah, okay sharp siyambonga James just ukuthi vele usikhombisile indlela ukuthi okay sharp guys like asilambenza so fine ke masifika lapha egate vele like ukujumpa kwethu kusukuthi jump ama gate sibhatalele vele basifaka ama tickets angena like but ungena kwethu singena like okay sharp ngicela ngangena like angifuna ngokuvela okay sharp OB like uzosikhuluma iside like but like sime like ukuthi wonke umuntu aqala ukungena ukuthi mase
so bothukile nasesikhathi jump bothukile nasesikhathi jump
bengithukile ngasikhathi ngijumpa bengathukanga mina oh yeah okay sharp but
like ukuthuka ukuthi bokubanjwa
oh yeah chuma lapho bengithukile ukuthi ngizobanjwa sharp okay guys kwaba isigaxa vele sharp ngabela bochuma ukuthi bangene nabo vele ke sanyuka vele ngomgadlazi like mangithi sijumpe like sifike like ngomgadlazi vele ngoba kuyithi itabani vele besithe kwaqa like mangicabanga bokuyithi itabani ekuphelene la bafana bebabheke thina. You get my point? Yeah, that's a thing. I mean, and in English because you buy get zaidi yo. Marang show mutba.
Cabanga into enicabangayo guys uyenzini.
Namanga
So yayiba ke today.
Bawuthi babacabanga ngiyenze last ngeke wena ngeke nje mangivuma uyavuma nje drinki fish lady yo leja vele bathi bike
Khuluma wena.
aba guys okay by my side ngibambile ngibambe abafana maybe kokuqala ngibambe umfana angingicama manga guys nakhuluma nje into esenhlizweni yami ngiyabhodla ke manje fine okay yokuqala sharp I don't wanna lie bisama ro bafana no OP vele kwaba nomfana lo ukuthi uqale wabamba OP so ngaba ne jealous ngathi nginyala bathanda mfana chibi like what's a scam athi like ufike kuwe bakuthi ka makafika kuwe adonsa ne roll la
Utheni naye mbonile ayithomnophala lapha ifasaza
Ngamvana sibos. Athi ayingekeni ukuthi ngiyamlandela lo.
Vala simlandela ke vele singaba vele like abantu twins vele singama twins by the way fine sahamba vele sithi no open nomfana mase sifika vele like sabona ukuthi umfana uswag
ngambaleka uSports ngiyomshaya 1
baka namthumu guys the reason why OP abalekile fine besimena nomfana siyi2 mase simenayo kwafika like umngana lo mfana lo like umngana lo mfana like ichuma ufike like asimazi ukuthi umngana wakhe yabo like ufika ungathi uyadlula kanti like ufika umember kwami chumi ngime like umfana lo yaphi yamiswe ebondeni so mina ngimeso yabo uOP ume ngapha so lo mfana lo ufike wa rounda mina sho ukuthi wamaso emva kwapartner ngimbona ngibhekele yabo so uOP wathi wenzani wena when like mangijika like I was shocked yabo athi mfana ngicela ukunjani
azangabaleke ke maka shocked
no
mina ngibalekile
ubalekile vele chuma athi mfana ngicela ukunjoina ngathi ungazusijwayela kabi
ngabashiya bamjoyine
nama
Bamjoyina.
balekile
after then ngakfollowa ngakulandela bese lo mfana lo wathi OP take mangibhizi ngithi OB ngathi hayi ke athi lo mfana OP ngathi akusu OP igama lakhe sibizana kanjani sibizana ngabo OP wathi okay OP chomi yabo ngathi igama lakhe ulihle because vele yazi mosihle atha like ngathi sibizana ngabo OP yabo athi namfana loyana athi hayi guys ncanzelo mngane wami uyohlala la idozane so uzozama ukuplaka ngathi hayi mina guys lento fine ke ngahamba nalo mfana lo bekadonse OP qala vele ushoti
wami ngithe ngihambile mina ngisinjini
ngaqama manga
yathi ungazoqala
athi
badonse mina
uyangithola uyangizwa ngathi ngahamba nalo mfana lo uOP beka mfana bekadonsa uOP qala sama ngapha ekhoneni uOP ngamshaya noba nalo mfana lo bekangithusile azathi ucela ukujoin wathi OP kimi fine bakhuluma lo mfana lona wathi ucela ngiyacela sizwe umngane wakhe ngavele ngamshaya lapho mfana abantu ngadonsa uOP sanyuka OP angitsho ukuthi hayi lo mfana lo thumbe yabhiza ngixolisa angathatha ama number akhe fine sho ukuthi uthatha ama number wale stranger lesibesinemva kwami uOP angazoshayina sathula ngikhuluma ngithi like uzofika choma ukushelela don't care but to me angithona uthe like mofika kuye hayi nyakusaba stuff vele so ngiyiphikeleyo fine ke kejab zanyuka vele no OB mase sinyuka vele sangene egate mase singene egate vele okay sangene egate sabona vele like sanyuka sisishama up and down vele ngoba sesiqale like bese sisaba ukuphuma ecaleni sithange bavuma ukuthi singene ngaphakathi kanti bayavuma mofaka iticket ayivele saphuma uOB ke ahlangana namanye friends wakhe wase Bloemfontein yeah sharp is enjoy okay and guys into bengichaza lapha yana ne bokuyi side to side ngapha kuyajiva ngapha bese change so ama side okay namanga la besikhona vele ukuthi men show bebangathengisi ama 11 so thina sagesi ukuthi siyaphuma vele sothenga vele like siphinde sibuye no choma it's like mina ngikhuluma side lami fine sharp kwanetha sesingali
ayinamsachazeni lami cho
uzochazeni lami
kwanetha sengali okay sengali kwanetha ngabona umunye mfana beyafaka ijezi pink leshinobi fine okay angisayinile ngamehlo athi ngicela uye ngadle Fine nyangale fana nyangale siyehle sihla kule ndawo le besime kuyo nomuntu kaObi nami
okay. Akusomuntu ami umuntu akungishena Chomi.
Sibamke wena
Chomi akahanga
Chomi mara ngikushile boss tayi.
Chomi ngishile nami ngakulandela mos.
Asowabo wakho hey.
After kungishiya ngakulandela cause nami bengafuna ukungase type yami.
Barubula
No Chomi don't do it.
Chomi mara ngikushena boss.
Angisho ukuthi angishiyanga naye vele ngishiyena but nothing happened ngivele mawuceda ukushiya ngivele ngakulandela.
Nama kusumuntu wami Chomi.
Okay sharp asikisi ngokuyibeka uthi umuntu wakho. Okay ke unprepare yakho ke.
Ayibethi next yami.
Okay ke ngana Obi ole amfana lo yami.
Bekafuna Obi.
Bekafuna Obi nami.
Now Chomi.
Thula ke vele ngoba
nje.
Thula yala.
Okay Chomi like ngitsithule.
Okay after then fine ngalomfana weshino besayihla ngane sastrata lesiya. Hayi ke fine angini. Fine sama lapha nalomfana simegeti labantu. Guys simegeti labantu vele masimegeti labantu kwafika elinye parcel ya ras lithi ban ba check egeti lakho. Yabo ayifana aphume lapho kuya ngithi kulomfana nangumuntu la lo mfana time ke la mina vele ngisuke vele ebondeni fast ngisuke sho ukuthi lo bhutlo lona agijimisa lo bhutlo lo wejimleshino afuna ukumshaya yabina ngathi ngabaleka sisukahlangana nabanye abafana abayi2 bamabhutlo abathi yena uyafeba ngathi ngifeba ngani yabo ngibengibaleka kathi ngithukile ngibaleka fana mase ngithi gidli ngisababona bochomi hayibo base ngithi okay sharp ngababona bochomi bahleli lapha ngaphakathi phathi vele ngabaxoxela hayibo guys kenza into so saphuma vele lapho fine sahamba saya ukuthi men show masifika ukuthi men show vele ke kwaba nomunye umfana bekalele
bengithi awuyibambile
ngeke fine ngathola umunye umfana alele lapha yana like simtapile natsoba ngiyamlontsha lo fine ugaya ngingiphingi ngimbamba bahamba like angimbamba bambi like lokho like ngiyenyamvuza bo ngivuza like ugaya like avuka
Chomi like
like you understand
angikasolala like ichumi bekaleli phezulu like yabona lento like
dustbin
ugesi Chomi.
ugesi like listen ngathi
bengikakhulula lapha.
bengikakhulula so ngiyavuka so guy ke pha ayibona slate esigqokile ngelibruna okay sacala ukumbamba emuva like sika chumi sika semva kwami like sika la somngani wakhe mika hamba naye ongibheki sengi ekuthunathi ngimfuni like okay ukuthi angibambe like athi okay ngenza so angicabuza like guys abantu basibhekile ngaleso sikhathi okay bangicabuza like senginamahlombe but enjoy fine ngishop isijayive vele like sharp okay sengiyamyekela vele angicabuza oh benabanye abafana vele bebahleli phezulu kwaleya electricity babe bangibompa mangijaba bathi dlala wena like yabona like vele like ngiyathanda mina operation like vele ngibompe fine like jabu after then ke uguy aye kumangani bathi ukuthi akazi ngimamele siya ngizohamba naso mokhanya kanti ke usiboshe hayi akusulobamba iskelen fast fine abochomi banyamalale laba bayi2 ngobukeleni babo banyamalale ngisale nochomi mina vele masesijava nochomi anginamanga banyamalele kokucala
simuva kancane bese nama
listen mi anti nyasho ngikhuluma listen uzoba nesikhathi sakho bese uzongiphisa mosoceda ukukhuluma isikhathi sakho yes so abochomi laba bayi2 banyamalale fine nochomi vele sisebasiphakathini la kunenkwankwa khona nochomi sajayiva masesijayiva ngithi hamba nje abo ubabe khola bebame khona samsola bheka fana masesibabheka ukuthi bathatha jini bese toilet ngithi chomo kesha basmen la bathi athi ubhicho masmen lapha ngaphakathi kuyashisa la sinomoya kanti ngithi nakazi nyagodola ngisifuna ebantwini fana ngithi chomo yasala athi chomo ayichoma sana fana abochomo ngithi chomo nasala bathi bona bayasala bazomana hayi ke samena vele like simalafele besime khona ngathi speak sethu hayi vele sijayive nabochomi sijayive nochomi ngathi nabochomi sijayive nochomi hayi sengiyabona abochomi nabo sebayagodola kancane sebayabuya lapha ya but abochomi bona bebamele like la kune light khona fans bona bayajiva like sharp kube nomunye umfana angisakhumbuli like siba like bathela ama corona phezulu balona icorona ngithile emehlweni vani ngayowela phambi kobo obi ngabathi ukuthi kacane usukwini vani bangisula ngabuyela vele lapha ngisifuna lapha phambi kwabafuna lapha sharp ngoba nomunye angazi khona le ngoma bayiculile yabo hasahle mfana lo yeah chuloyo yes athi ile asokunyoba wena asokunyoba msunukanyo like athi lo mfana abhiza ngikhomba lo mfana anzokunyoba la into enjalo so like nga entertain fana uguy vele abamba ibuni zami makazi bamba abhiza athi nzokunyoba like guys like yo being shocked so guy ayibo uguy fine ahambe kubangani bakhe makabuya ayisokuyimvela senyamnontsha nami like angisafuni ukusuka lapha yabo ngoba like sekangibambile fine ayi ngimbona uguy ukuthi sekashela intombazana ngimbhenge linye ilihlo abona ukuthi okay shapa yeke le ntombazana achubeka jive nabangani bakhe achubeka jive nabangani bakhe achubeke makachubeka sokuyakhanya vele lapha ngaphandle sokuba sekuseni kakhulu so uguy athi mina mfethu senyabaya sibaye ni time na ngengikhola athi umngane wakhe mnyekele yambona ukuthi umuntu phela ngeka kuphi hayi vele navela ngiphanike nyantsana fine ke uguy vele ahambe makahamba kwaba into enjalo guys ngiqala ukunjola ngalami kanjalo so idilwane zami tasangithi ngizenjoyile that's was a point ukuthi ngibambile like nga-enjoya vele I don't wanna lie it was my first time ngenkwarini so i-first time yami ngi-enjoyile and i-first time angeke last time kuba correct like guys okay shaphi inkwarini yayihamba nebhadi ngihambe yasekasi yangaphandle vele kuyi-first time yeah so ngi-enjoyile guys
Show me.
Yho mina ngeke ngisachaza next space nje uchazile
la mina mangiphanga
Ngipha HIV yakho le mina
ngiphe about you
Ngikukhuluma.
Ngizokhuluma because ukhulumile already sahlala sana phambili bafana
nje
unless nje ngizokhuluma ngale HIV.
Sikhuluma HIV kusho ukuthi nestory kule
HIV positive
Ngikukhuluma phela
HIV
Chuma umfana ngathi une-HIV
phela like abantu angingajeni mina senyayazi
hayi baphumile u-Adi no-Obi ngiselinosiboshi phakathi hayi-ke usiboshi naye anyamalala ngazi uyephi ngaphandle hayi mangithi va nangu umuntu angidonsa
okay chumto correct lapha ukule time ngilandela umama athi uyongithengela flying fish abo Obi baphumile baye ngaphandle uzongilanda
Chum that's why ngithi now like
masothi ngiyamalele mara chum
uzwa ngithi wona bomba nathi then wena like ngigcina ume lapha phambi kwalela gate
yes
jika awusekho kulela gate so unyamalele
makangihamene nentombazane mos
still unyamalele asazi ukuthi ngiva umkhukhu bekwenza kala
nentombazane chum ngiyintombazane mara
chuma wathi uyakuthengisa
chum ngibanga ngithengisa mos chum besochama athi kukubo lapha yana
okay sithume lapha ke
okay shop avela izoswisa bo chum
Masiqhubeke chum
ayike ngiphume umfana ngidonsi hayi vele ngoba bengizabangani bathi hayi la kuyabanjwa hayi ngathi nami ngifuna ukubamba wani nyana ngithi ekwareni kunjani nje umbamba
ayibile
mangithi acho cause umfana vele bengingamboni vele ngoba besemnyameni kancane like yeah beyavimbekile
guys ukukhuluma after
ngamncamisa umfana
okay
kodwa nje masiphuma
seyaqedile
ukhuluma
after wonke umuntu seyaqedile ukukhuluma
so mangithi
okay
so mangithi xa elayitini hayibo umfana akasaphoqoka ngebusweni bandla engathi nje uyayigulela so mangithi ngingamboni
ezongena ngekhisi ku 25
Kodwa ayiyo
ngabi so orgajan adi
ayeke ukulingi nje siboshi sakakuchazile
HIV ayithomi ayiqhubeka
chuma HIV phela ngithi sikhisene kwaphela lapho
and then
HIV wena
chuma ngina-HIV
gonorrhea ke
chuma ngeni through alive HIV
unegan
chuma
yes true
declare how did you enjoy and ukuqinisa ngoba zokuphikisa ke mbi dande kaphikisa
okay athi ngiphikisi
uphikisa manje njengoba ngikhuluma sewuthi cha mina into nakuzokuphikisa
Okay, I'm gonna cut the story short, ne? So like mina vele utsho uchazile vele ukuthi like sile sekanjani lapha na izomthu. So vele mina lenyela ukujive not ukubamba.
Unamanga mase siphuma la. Nasiphuma la sonke sesobala.
Beka lo ithungana nami. Kanjalo yakhe bengenze ngathi uyathengisa.
No.
Nje abafana bekabona nje extra. Beka extra nje
Guys,
bafana.
mina bengijive lapha kuphela nje ngijive ngaze ngakhathala. Yeah. Angba yeah like yeah.
That's it.
Akasabukusho.
Bayafuna ukubamba
Unamanga.
Like bayangibamba ne.
Let me tell you one thing.
No.
Unamanga.
Uyathanda ukucula lo. Uyathanda ukucula so.
Ake ngifana ukulandelile.
Bali.
Okay, yeah, baningi chumi.
Yes, chumani. Bongikho
Because mina
nami.
bengihlezi ngihamba ne-tweet.
Chom mina bekanani ke kushuthi nje kushuthi angazi mebamba
Chumi.
Shoot nebamba balo. Mina nakuchoma zanga bona mfana mtova.
Makana mjoma ngibona ngipha. Shoma sazi ngathi njalo ilonchile bayokusheshe mbeka ngabanayo.
Ngeke ningazi nje vele ngithi.
Yeah. Yabona nje ngiyaka understand.
Ngeke nje sikwazi la
Sengicedile ukukhuluma.
Yabo, yeah, sengicedile shoma.
Okay guys, one thing ngitshela yona. Fine ngihambe no Adi. Ushombe yasele no OB. Nathi chumi ngiphethe umthamo ongimpresse. Fine sahamba vele no chumi. Mase siceda ukuphuma toilet. Okay, sharp ngibona lo mfana lone. Bame lapha nabangani bakhe. So manginyuka, sho ukuthi mfana uyangazi ukuthi sibosh. Hayibo like yabona sho like ngijika ngathi like ngithi ngitha like guys yabona like sengiphoqa mfana abantu ngithi ha wena uwe lo bonkudla ku Facebook stuff and stuff athi mina nyukudlile intonto ngathi ayinyima yabo yethinyolani phone yami yabo ngihlangana nabo obhivile baza ukuthi ngithi nje ngicungule kufona mkhona nomfana bekangudlile nemfuku umkhonzo ukuthi umgudlile hayi ke uAd athi kumfana abantu athi wona ukudla umkalo wami yabo stuff and stuff hayi mangithi ngivula iFacebook yami man ngingakacedi nokusearch ukuthi ulo mfana vele umgudlile like ngiyambheka umfana abantu ngithi uwe lo hlala Orlando East athi yeah sho ukuthi guy vele ungishele ku Facebook yabo mangishela like namvele like ngoba uhlala ngasekhasi lami like vele muhle like type yami mina ronkhini ukuthi abo ubi bathini abo adi bathini utsho umuthini mina type yami ngoba vele sinama type afanayo fana mase basho ke na umfana nje ethi ngithuma into edingakalayo okay sure
Asiphila.
Ke na
Jumina.
sharp ngimbuzi ngithi vele uGuy vele bangishela athi uhlala Orlando East 23 mina ngihlala 22 Orlando East vele ayike vele kube into enjalo ke uGuy ke fine sengiqala kumlauncha vele senyamlandelela like naye ungilandelelile kayi2 but mina ngamlandelela until yabo
Sunset.
until 7 o'clock.
ngisho malapho nje mangiphike vele ngoba like uGuy besithola noma ubiyini wena wazi namhlanje atsho fine ke kwabantu enjalo ke noGuy fine ku Facebook angitshela ukuthi bayabangani bakho bangichikile I didn't like it because I wasn't the one okugodlile ngathi askisi yini twin lami qala tha ulobela njabeki ngathi askisi abantu enjalo so guys nashemku 25,000 ngene kahle shame ku 25 ngene kahle and I think I wish 25 yami ngicela ihambe the way ingene ngakhona iyophela ngakhona yeah thank you for pouring out.
Okay, that was it, guys. So I don't have anything to say, but yeah, because everybody said everything. So the second thing we're going to talk about is the 35th day on Vele, guys. So this year, man, guys, we're going to speak about this in Tunisia. What you want to do this year? What's so important?
Ngiqalile kwi-stories.
Chum nawe. Uzophila ngosibosh.
Hayi, uzoyatsho ngikhuluma.
No, like we're not
She
done.
wants, like,
I think
this
we're like umuntu ukhulumile about ukuthi utrenda.
Yes.
No, I think I only spoke.
I also
Ukhuluma trend.
what?
Okay, ngizothini vele ngotrenda. Rating vele question.
Yabona ke awufocus ke.
No,
It's about how you felt about trending kahle nakadi. Like how do you like trending? Uthanda ukutrenda kanjani?
Okay. So anginandaba nokuthanda kabi ne guys. Noma ngathanda kabi I'm like umuntu o positive. So even if ngasho into i-bad comment ngami, like mina angithi mina ngiyazi ukuthi like
why you post?
yeah, I know, not that ukuthi like mina nginjani yabo. So yeah, uthina kahle nje yeah angazi guys. Yeah, angijala like angisumuntu othanda kakhulu ne. So yeah, I'm used to training. So ngajabula nje ukutraina. Yes. That's all.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Another question of you?
another question is that
Okay, I have a question for Obi. Ne? Obi, what's your take on people who are stealing your pictures and posting them and saying some stuff on it?
it's catfishing. So catfish is it's a bad thing, yeah. But it's a bad thing. So I don't like it. Like catfishing is not good. So I don't like it. But you can't control the media, so they can do whatever they want.
And then we saw you on Facebook ngathi bakushela or bakulandelela bekwenzakalani kahle kahle, and why is everything being recorded? Or mhlambe bini actor
Let's not take
See, I don't know if
Okay.
Iskak.
So mama was cutting this tag.
Puzzle.
Yes.
Okay, athi ngimkhulumele ke.
makayikhulumele
Jamani
nina thulile
Tell me like angazi ukuchaza like
Right, kumnikazi.
okay, uGuy
khuluma ukuthi ukuthi uyakazi.
like ngichaze yithumi.
tshomi sichazele
Oh, antsho
angithi bowapha nale
Okay, loya guy loya uyangishila nje. Ngangaqala ukungishila lapha.
Namanga.
Like nyasho vele
Nama.
sho hayi lapha sichasiwo.
Like uzomphikisa after.
Yes. Ngangaqala ukungishila lapha. Okay, uGuy bisimile no-open noThiyamo omunye ugenji lwase e-Orlando. Besimile lapha na vele uGuy bekashela uMamdon uMcFlurry. Then uMcFlurry vele bekabambi omunye uGuy lapha. So wabona ukuthi like uGuy wabona ukuthi uMcFlurry ubambile. Then opportunity ila si3 angithi mina open noThiyamo thing. Then up what uGuy khona uGuy osibhekile lapha adungabheki. Okay girl mina ngabheka vele uGuy wathini ase toilet. Then say toilet vele uGuy nisafuna izinto mina ngathi angifuni vele ngaphuma la uGuy wakwada waphuma nge-toilet. Mina ngingalandela ke. Then ekseni masihamba yilapho uGuy waphinda wabuya kimi wathi masambe uphi e-toilet ngathi like yona le video leya sound leyana like exactly into exactly ayishilo la guy loya like exactly. So yeah
uthi hello.
Yeah mara hello le ma one round
ngicela one round. Yo ngikhalele ngiyeza manje ngikulandela.
because like yeah benjalo like we similar like to leyo yeah.
Man, hello. Yo, mama, sweet pass. Yo, as when I'm one round in years and oh my god.
But me to me like no I'm Jane McFly. Not McFly.
He is
Like me I'm Jane like me. I have video. Uti like Jane Bandre. And look at until I shared the video. So I'm not looking long text still very like who get on to with high left video the
no it wasn't playing.
Uthi kanjani la class le playing.
Usuthina no Guy baplay mina bengazi.
Wena bongazi.
Yeah.
Like uGuy nomngani wakhe they planned the video.
Mara yena uGuy loyana bekangishela of course like
Vele nje
le thing yabona uGuy
but like mina bangitshela bathi le video bayibonile so this way ngathethela ngekhanda ukuthi okay sharp vele video trendayo so yeah bayiplanile wabo yes that's the thing.
Another question here, guys. Dating Jolo Jolana guys. Another question. Yes. Even
I am dating for 2025 but suddenly feeling Jason is gaga ukuthi okay wamuthi ukuthi ungana uyamfuna stuff so mina ngiyamtshela ugaya ukuthi okay sharp ubeka nayo girl mina I'm out of you but okay start bizathi angitshela lokho stuff mina ngithanda wena but mina ngibe ngimtshela guys ukuthi ngimfuni stuff qhubeka naye girl vele ulube kakhuluma ngaye vele manje ukuthi ngiyabisa abantu abaningi
no
it's McFlurry but okay ngamtshela ukuthi okay sharp qhubeka no McFlurry if nakhona uyakufuna because you told me ukuthi McFlurry uyakufuna stuff but mina angisoluswa umfana no McFlurry umfana nje ngiki like angisiqobe somfana sharp but umfana wrong angesithi ugirl angengazi tshona ukuthi vele uMcFlurry uyamfuna ngoba bayifuna uMcFlurry ngokuthi siyakimi like ngoba like last time ngithi ku guy let me start a call bese nazo McFlurry but guy hang am here for what reason that's why ngithi ngifana ngilo uMcFlurry noma mina ngicabana nawe uJona uMcFlurry that's the thing yeah so yeah since dating from last year since dating from last year but I'm not sure but ungathi ungalimsafuna ukumthatha uphi
ngibana
so but ungakhiphi igama
So guys, so today we're going to speak about this Legacy Sharp because you see new faces here, so it's only one new faces. So I think questions should pop out to us to her.
and they
so
wait
truly like okay let me see
Kuluma.
I think Kalan guys now green.
okay tinkal Cherry so far like from Cherry ever since he kind of feel like flow how boys treated you like I'm sure like kutiba stuff that way manje abafana for now like abafana subabona bakuphethe njani
Sposh nabafana.
So far mina nje.
chipi nice dad
So far nje ngizange bona abafana
chimai nabona chipi okay it's fine I don't piece it
Like-
baby you can ask
Okay, so far, how do you feel about
like I think like ukuba nama-gay friends amaningi like kukuphusa i-self-esteem yakho cause like mangabona like abo-Obi Siboshi Jaboyonela Sisiboy ngiyabona ukuthi okay so far like la kule area le bahlala kuyo sebajwayele uthi man kuneyigabane la so like ngifeel like the more ngiba close to them the more ngijwayele ukuthi okay ama-homophobic laba deala nawo kanjani baya-avoid something like that.
Okay. So how do you feel? What do you feel like it's more important a groove than ukubamba and especially benathi ukubamba? What's important?
Okay.
shimshike mina ngithi ubamba
For me,
Just like-
I need to me because I need to everything was like ubang. So that's why it's just the question what teacher how do
Okay, like
I don't tell me. I got a question like there's nothing wrong about the question.
like a groove.
What's important? What do you feel like is important? Drinking, things in you feel like
Ukuphuza, enjoy.
okay, so bamba you don't feel like it's important.
Yeah, man. Cause like maybe kubambe nje like that's why ngingathanda ukubamba cause kunale story lesama yasePitori like abambile egroup jiki sebaboshiwe babakidnapping. So I feel like abanye like bakubambela nje for ukuthi bazokwazi nje like I need nalaba bathi bayahafula like itabane like endaweni. So I feel like yabona
so ama insecurities wakho ukuthi usabuthi bazokubamba bahafulita that's why nje you feel like how important to bamba.
Yeah.
So wena uyela nje ubumnandi.
Yeah.
So like ukuba
from Park for now.
ukubuza ngomjolo nje ukuthi like iyajola na.
I'm single.
Okay, true. Like a question.
That's all.
Oh, another question. Another question. How do you feel about
I'm saying
I don't know, jumble something else.
okay, for my question is okay, so when something's happening fun maybe like impact.
Nah.
Yes. But you think you will?
Of course.
Khona nombhekile
That's it.
Sabikhuluma phendula.
Yebo.
Okay.
Makathi umqodo ukuthi
Ngizobamba ezika-act.
Like
Sengizobamba ezika-act.
Izamanzi bani. Untouchable.
where's the Facebook
So,
now? Where's the post now?
Snake.
how do you feel about after 9s?
Like angiwathandi nje after 9.
What do you like?
Mina ngiprefera nje uguy.
Straightly or straightly top? Straight guy like MG or straightly top?
Strictly top.
Why straightly top?
Cause chuma ngithi angeke like kuzoba kulokho nje ongekho ku closet like ungafuni ukuthi like yena uzokuchecka makafunile like ebusuku so okay sengizoza ngobusuku ngifuna like mangifuna ukumbona ube into ekhona.
Should be, but if you bisexual and gay, not bisexual.
Because mostly I'm after 9. Not bisexual. Mostly have. So
Have you dated after 9 before?
No.
Okay,
What about
so
this after 9?
Angifuni umuntu ebengijola beke ngikho closet bekazi like emini besikwazi nje nokubona.
That's nice, my job.
So like it's different from if it's not na like you know
Cool. Like I think like we are poor so far.
Boring like good when njoga bona life. Like outside. Answer basebevakasha.
like yapora.
Yeah.
True. Sisapora manje.
Like I would ngiyapora.
Njalo indaba eqaleni.
Obviously angithi like ngisasimotion.
That's why ngithi abantu ababuye emakhaya. Uzobona like abantu masebabuye emakhaya.
Maybe kuya ngesikhathi ngizobona la bengihlala khona kuphora. Nabo.
That's why it's true like akaqalile.
So, the last thing I'm going to talk about.
You know, guys, for a year, I wanna focus with brain. Okay. Focus on my brain. Focus on my school studies. Fela, bashimani for like bashimani for this January nje. Kancane nizobona February.
nje for mina nje ukulungisa into zami so that next year ngizokwazi ukusikhule
For me, I don't want to take another gap year, so I want to do something. Yeah.
Obi,
What?
Nangokuhle.
Yeah, nje. Improve growth.
Changi.
Feel cooler. You know, you should make sure Uti, every year is something you're proud of.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Of
what's
yourself.
like my plan this year, when there's something where it's like this year, like regardless, yeah. Yeah.
Tony, don't have questions.
Big brother.
Okay.
Okay guys, I think for today, Reshapo. So yeah, we're going to close a show for today. So yeah, season shia ngama wera day. Fela. Obi. Obi.
Kala.
Obi. Kunisqala. Juno. Kunisqala. Ayikho nje into eyaqala nje.
As always, love yourself, guys.
be patient in life.
The word of the day for me, guys, that's work like a slave and live like a queen. A kind of friends that close open doors for you, like, period.
Yo, sasona manje. Bodlela lakho le iStropez ngimnandi njengalo. Ugcoka namaphinda abantwana bakini uma uyistabane, fihle cake elifihleke, but angisho ukuthi ngigcoka lona. Either way,
Just Pez gesenge.
just Pez kwesenge. Ay vele
Hot dog.
Pez kwesenge shay hot dog.
Manje on
So guys katoli bona maybe
on the second, whatever.
soon.
No. Lapho soba sizilungisile si-on cause
Ukuthi vele bamanje.
nesigqoko, so ciao. So nibona masinibona and soba sibaningi, just watch this one and expect another one. So ciao.
Junkie.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
Take the tone.
I'm saying.